Hi, we're going over our updates made to Smart Response. So we found a problem before with clickers and batteries and having to update those. So we decided to build those all into the system itself with the lab activities. So you would be going to the same classlab.com and using the same activity code, jumping from either a lab activity directly into this Smart or vice versa, Smart Response. How that'll work is we're going to go, I have already started this activity, and I'm going to go ahead and log in with a student. So I have a student going to show up here now, and they're going to be going through and taking this quiz. And as you can kind of see, the student actually is able to get feedback on what is going on and whether they're getting it right or wrong, as well as their contributions and how many they've made, their progress. You can see your whole class and how far along they are. So I'm going to go ahead and just submit this through. And I'm going to go ahead and end this. We're going to see our results. With this, we can see the correct answer is 3. However, my one student, you'll get more data points as the more students get logged into the classes. I put it for A as the correct answer. However, we can see we might want to spend a little bit more time on that. We can flip through this. We did get the correct answer here with B, and then A. And what I like to show is for open response questions, we have kind of what we might consider a Wordle, where the more times a student puts an answer in there, that answer will grow. So the more populated an answer it is, whether it be a numeric answer or a word or a word set, that answer will grow bigger and bigger based off the size, and you also can see a list view as well. I can go ahead and export these results out to a Excel file. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up an Excel file that I've already done. You would just save that to your laptop. And you can go through and you can kind of see if I had multiple students in here, how well they're doing, getting incorrect versus correct answers, the questions, and the percentage on that. This can all be transferred over to your LMS system as well. So the idea of this is to be able to create quick and engaging lesson where you can get that feedback to drive your instruction further. Now how this is set up is I'm going to go through and the check your response, so check your answers kind of thing, check mark. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I could click on the Smart Lab activities as well. There will be a spot in there. However, it's just a little bit simpler and easier to go right through this check response. So we have different options that we can choose from: multiple answers, poll opinion, short answer, true, false, and multiple choice. Similar to other lab activities, if you watch that video, you can go ahead and save a list of questions that you've already created in the past. And for time's sake, I'm just going to go ahead and load a quiz set questions that I've already created. I'm going to go ahead and load that through. And what that's going to do is going to populate with questions already in here. I'm going to go ahead and click on one so we can see it. We can go ahead and put a image in there. We can change these answers. We can put pictures in here as well. And we can edit these however we see fit. I'm going to go ahead and change this through. I will mention you do have the ability to put multiple correct answer, kind of get higher level thinking in there and being able to choose different answers. So I'm going to go ahead and push this out with either instructions or a title, in this case none. And then the same thing that we just did a few seconds ago, we are going to have a new quiz that is built going through smartlab.com and then typing in that activity code. If they've already done it the first time, they won't have to re-enter it, and students can go ahead and take that quiz the same way they did on that first quiz. If you have any questions, please go ahead and put that in the comment section, and I will get to those as quickly as possible. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.